So, Vasilis, could you give us the news from the famous Sarantaporo.gr community network in Greece? What's going on these days?
We are living exciting times. For the past 3 months, our network has been renovated, rejuvenated. We have upgraded the access network, the access layer of our network. For the past 3 months, we have been updating one device per day. So this has been a very radical change for our network. And it has driven a lot of new local inhabitants to be interested in what we do and be engaged in our community network. So we also have, for example, we have a Telegram group for the node owners of our group, and this has almost doubled within the last 3 months. And also, we have 13 women participating in this group. So we are talking about 50 people as we speak.
And how many nodes is now the current status of your network, the backbone and the access?
Okay, we are talking about more than 100 access nodes and almost 20 backbone nodes in 11 villages in the area of Sarantaporo village.
And in terms of training all those people to become more and more active in the maintenance of the network, what are the big challenges and what you consider some sort of best practices from your side?
Okay, so we have a plan for the next couple of years to do some workshops in the region to train local members. Our goal is to empower a local group of people in every village so that they will be able to run their own network, to maintain it and expand it according to their needs. We have yesterday we did our first workshop and it was really fantastic with many people participating and very actively, also women who were enthusiastic about learning how to build the cables and building it themselves. And the most challenging thing I would say is to train the trainers. So train people who will be then able to train other locals. And it has already started. Yesterday we had at least 3 people who are the older members of our group who were also helping other members and showing them how to make the cables and everything.
And could you send a message to the world, because this will be in a panel in Geneva of many other people interested in community networks? What we could send them as a message from Greece?
I would say that community networks will take the world by storm, and I won't say that it will start in Sarantaporo, but we are here and we are strong.
Αυτό εκεί το κτίριο τι είναι, στις κολόνες.
Πάντως όταν περνάμε από το καλοκαίρι αυτοκίνητο από την
Αυτό εκεί πάνω το κτίριο τι είναι.
Είναι Πομόνα που το έχουν κάνει στο σπίτι. Του Νίκου Τασιχίδη είναι, ναι.
Τόσο κοντά είναι.
Εκείνο το σπίτι το είδα, την Πομόνα. Ναι, εκεί πρέπει να βλέπει καλά.
Πού είναι
εκείνο το καλύτερο, ναι. Αχιλέα, κοίτα εκεί απέναντι.
Εκείνο τι είναι.
Είναι Πομόνα.
Hi Emilia, as a social scientist studying the Sarantaporo.gr community network, how you see the processes of appropriation of the network by the local community?
Sarantaporo.gr is definitely a group that was formed by a core team, as it is self-defined. However, in the course of the years, what has happened here is the participation of local people who reside in the area, that is. And I think that this has created a new dynamic that redefines the concept of common practices as it has started in 2010. And this redefinition of those practices has to do with the fact that people who reside in the area and use the network, they have certain needs, and those needs reappropriate the whole idea of the community network Sarantaporo.gr. I think that most of them feel that it is something they co-create and they help maintain. So to a certain extent, to a large extent, they feel, if not owners, they feel participants, active participants in the network.
Where are you going with all these devices?
We are preparing 3 new nodes for a new area. Vasilis is going to install.
Στα αγγλικά. So what is difficult for people to understand in the management of their network, for them to do it on their own?
First of all, they have to understand what is the architecture of the network and what are the different components of the community network. Because very often they confuse signal, Wi-Fi signal, with internet and internet access. For example, a lot of people are asking us, okay, I have a great signal, Wi-Fi signal, but I don't have internet. Why is that? My signal is very strong, but I don't have internet. Why is that?
Δεν έχει άλλο, αυτό είναι. Έχει ένα άλλο εδώ πέρα. Γιατί αυτό, κοίταξε.
Αυτό το μεγάλο?
Όχι, αυτό πρέπει να είναι το μεγάλο.
Ναι, 5 διπλάσιο. Θα το πάμε τώρα.
Ναι.
Κάτσε, αυτό, δεν το βάζουμε. We fixed the antenna of Kokkinopoulos here.
Llamada nie umtaus. Auf Wiedersehen als Kokkinopoulos und viele Grüße in der Schweiz, in Deutschland und überall.